So stay with me and watch me make this very easy peasy. I'm so tired today, guys. I don't even know if you guys can see it in my face, but I'm really tired. Anyways, stick with me. I'm sorry if this video isn't as exciting as other videos where I am not as tired, but today, if I didn't have to cook, believe me, I would not be cooking. Anyways, stay with me, stick with me, tag along, and watch me make this very easy weeknight meal. But first, I'm gonna go shower. So I have the rice going on over there. Instead of olive oil, I'm going to use some coconut oil. Just because I love the taste of coconut. And this gives it a subtle, very, very subtle hint of the taste of coconut, especially when you put it into the rice. The rice has coconut oil. All right, so I've raised the temperature. I am now going to put in the first can of the corned beef. This is part of the staple meals that I had spoken about in one of my other videos. I made the arroz con salchicha, which is rice, or the yellow rice, with the Vienna sausages. And now I'm gonna make the corned beef with the rice. And I did forget, I normally make this with plátano verde, which are the tostones, the green, big fried plantains. But I forgot those, so I don't know if I have any in the refrigerator. I will look. But if not, you know what? It is what it is. We will eat it without it, and it will be just as delicious. Right, I'm gonna go for right now and wait for this to cook a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you what the next step is going to be. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that it's kind of sizzling a little bit and the meat has gotten a little softer, more manageable, I am going to do, I decided to do tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, or I don't know, whatever you guys want to call this, instead of the ketchup. I just think it would give it more flavor. So I'm going to start off with a 1/4 cup, and then add if I need more. And we're probably going to need more. That doesn't look nearly enough. So in here I have the potatoes. I have a little liner in there so this doesn't get as dirty. And we're going to put these into the air fryer. We're gonna press. Okay, so it's gonna go at 400. It's magical. It just turned on. 400 for 12 minutes. Or maybe it's that ghost that always lives here with me. I had to take them off the liner because the liner was looking like this, and it was kind of like, it looks like it was melting or something. So I just took them out and I put them straight on the thing, and they didn't look like they were cooking either. So now we're just gonna close it back up and let's see how much time is left. Oh my God, no, that's not gonna be done in 3 minutes. I need to add time. Over here I have the rice cooking. It's looking mighty delicious. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love white rice. listen to this, it sounds like I'm making popcorn in here. Let's open up and see what's going on. Ooh, these are done. And they are done very nicely. Okay, so now these I am going to pour over the corned beef. So here they are. Let's just pour them on top. And don't worry if they come out too crunchy, because with the sauce in here and the heat, they tend to get softer. So there you have it, guys. This is dinner tonight. Corned beef and white rice. And I don't know why this is going sideways. Alrighty, guys. I am going to eat. And I already showered, so I'm going to eat and probably go to bed because I am very tired. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Corned beef and rice. My taste test. My God, it's so good. Bite this.